Hey all. It's kind of a gloomy, rainy day here, but I thought it's the perfect time to speak about somatic movement and moving from sadness to strength through movement. First of all, I want to speak about this and let you know where I come from on this topic. I come from a place of experience. I'll start this by saying my father suffered from depression, and sadly I came to realize that depression is a terminal illness. So I realized that if my father had had cancer and died of cancer, and I found a way to help people with cancer, I would want to share that and state it proudly that I have this cure or this way to help you deal with cancer. So the same goes for depression, mental illness. I feel like I have found a way that's through the body that can help us to deal with such diseases, such issues. And it's because when we connect with our body and we move from all the parts of our body and really connect with our body, all the parts, then we can connect with our heart, with our soul, and we can live lives that feel joyful. And that's the opposite of depression. So that's why I share this practice with so much passion, so much sincerity. It comes from a very deep place. And so I have gone through, taking myself from sadness and worrying about, possibly facing the same fate as my father faced, to a place where I feel like I've used that sadness to get to a very strong place, a very confident place. And so that's why I kind of coined the terms here of somatic practice, because it's a healing practice. And then I also use the term that it's a sensual practice because it makes you feel so good. And that's the point, That's how we can fight depression. That's how we can fight sadness, is by feeling good. And by feeling good simply with using nothing but our God-given gift, our body. It's a very powerful tool, You don't need medicine. You don't need to go to somebody to get them to do some sort of thing to you, or all you need is your own body. Nature helps also. So, that's where my passion comes from. And now I found a way that I can share my gift on Giving Tuesday. Now, Giving Tuesday is November 28th this year, and it's the perfect day to do something that I love to do. And so for me, I want to help people feel good. I want to help people get into their body and alleviate some sadness from their life. So on November 28th, I'm going to be doing that, another free workshop. I just offered a free workshop, and I called that one Sensual Movement, and this one I'm calling Somatic Movement. And basically, I want to show you that they are two sides of the same coin. We're going to be practicing 4 techniques that will get you into your body and help you to start releasing some things and connecting with parts of your body that you might not have connected with for a long time. And it's going to be powerful. It is powerful. So I hope you can join me. It's going to be 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's really just, I love doing these little free pop-up workshops because it's a way of bringing a little community together. I'm passionate about building a movement community that is here to support each other, connect with one another, feel good, and be the change that we want to see in the world. A little bit more positivity, a little bit more joy, a little bit more happiness in a world that is so hurting these days. But I think the best thing that we can do is spread joy, spread love, and so I do it through movement. And if you want to join me, you can do that for free on Tuesday, November the 28th. Okay? I hope to see you then. Thank you for listening to my story. It actually feels so good to tell it. Okay, thank you. And I hope to see you again very soon in my community. Ciao.